Hi guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to make your very own coconut milk using coconut flakes, the Apex Nutrition coconut flakes, which is unsweetened. Now, why is it important that you make your own coconut milk? The reason basically is to avoid all the additives that the ones that you will get from the grocery stores would have, Now, those additives can cause a lot of health issues in the long run. So you want to make your own coconut milk. All right, so stay tuned. Now, in this video, the tools you'll be needing: a measuring cup, a strainer, okay? You're gonna need a bowl as well, okay? You're gonna need 4 cups of water, all right? And obviously, right, you're gonna need coconut flakes. So you're gonna be needing 2 cups of coconut flakes to make your batch. As well, you're gonna need a medium-sized pan. Lastly, you're gonna be needing a cheesecloth. So this basically is a new cheesecloth that I just got. So I just washed it in warm water just to keep it kind of sanitized, okay? But this is what it looks like dried, something like this, all right? Okay, so this is what it looks like dry, and this is what it looks like damped. Let's get started. So to get started, okay, I'm gonna be 2 cups, okay, of the unsweetened coconut flakes. This is 1, okay, and 2 cups. And I'm gonna be adding the 4 cups of water to this. I'm simply gonna be taking this to the stove and bringing it to a boil at medium heat. So here it is on the stove, okay, we're gonna have it covered, put the heat to medium heat, and let this come to a boil. Okay, and this should come to a boil within 5 minutes. Once it comes to a boil, we'll simply leave it to rest for 1 to 4 hours, okay? Letting it rest for 1 to 4 hours basically allows all the, the fat and the nutrients inside the coconut flakes to be extracted, okay, into the water, okay? And that's where you get all the nourishment of the coconut from, okay, in your coconut milk. So we're gonna let it boil and we'll have it rest for 1 to 4 hours. All right, so once the coconut has sat for about 2.5 hours, so we're gonna basically put in a blender, okay? And you simply blend it. Okay, I'm gonna get the bowl, okay, a bowl and a strainer and a cheesecloth, okay, that I showed you guys earlier. So this is the coconut milk. Look how nice and creamy that is, guys. So creamy, so pretty. Then I'm simply gonna pour it. Wow, this is beautiful, so beautiful, into the cheesecloth. Okay, make sure I get everything out. And look at how nice it is. So it's all nice and chopped. And then I simply just grab everything. Okay, I hope the camera is capturing this. How nice and creamy this is. And then you just squeeze it out. Nice and squeeze as hard as you can. Okay, so this is done. And there we have our coconut milk, guys. Simply just take a jar like this, okay? Okay, so here is my funnel. You simply just pour it inside a jar that you would like to store it in, okay? And this can simply store in the fridge for up to 7 days. So there you have your coconut milk. Yum. And you can basically use this coconut milk for whatever you like to use it for, to bake or to drink and so on and so forth. So I'll see you guys in the next video.